Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! And if you're a new viewer, I hope na mag-enjoy kayo sa video for today and sana mag-subscribe ka and follow me on all my social media accounts para naman maging friends tayo ng bunggang-bunga. So today's video, mag-open ako ng package from Althea, Korea. This is actually a birthday haul kasi isa ako sa mga social media influencers na Althea, Korea, and every birthday ng mga Althea Angels alam ko yun yung tawag sa amin, mga Althea Angels. Parang meron kaming perks to shop sa Althea website. And honestly, you guys, Althea Korea is one of the best online shopping website na natry ko when it comes to Korean brands. Kasi para lang siyang Lazada or Shopee na, alam mo yung click-click ka lang and then i-deliver na right at your doorstep. Tapos pwedeng COD and then pwedeng, alam mo yun, credit card and all that. Anyway, so I have 2 boxes. Hindi ko na matandaan na ano yung mga pinag-o-order ko. I'm pretty sure meron dito mga favorites ko na. And then merong mga bagong products na hindi ko pa natatry. So umpisahan natin sa first box. Teka. Adjust natin kayo. Ayan. So sa first box, we have... Oh! Okay, natandaan ko na. First up is Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera 92% Soothing Gel Mist. This is my ultimate favorite facial mist, you guys. Kasi ang fine nung mist niya. And after ko mag-makeup, ini-spray ko lang to and it melts my makeup beautifully. It does not necessarily makes my makeup last forever or the whole day, pero ang ganda lang talaga ng effect niya sa makeup ko. Plus, I also use this kahit hindi ako nagme-makeup. Parang ang sarap-sarap niyang, alam mo yun, refresher lang. Alam mo, pagkatapos kong bumiyahe, pagkatapos kong mag-commute, like, spray-spray lang ng ganon. O kaya, alam mo yun, kahit nandito ako sa office, o kaya nasa bahay, kapag gusto kong ma-refresh, spray-spray, ganyan-ganyan. Plus, it's so affordable for me. I'm going to put the prices and links down below if interested kayong order ito or i-try ito. Next naman is, ito, nagkaroon din ng time na sumikat to ng bonggang-bongga bago lumitaw yung Jeju Aloe Ice, whatever, chok-chok chenes. Pero this is my ultimate favorite na nilalagay ko tuwing gabi, lalo na kapag mainit. This is the Nature Republic Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. I use this in the morning and at night kasi it's so refreshing, it's moisturizing, and I really love this. Plus, parang ano siya, it's good for sensitive skin and never talaga ako nagkaroon ng problema sa skin while using this. So, highly recommended that you try this. Plus, it's also affordable for me. Next, i-open na natin itong tin. Okay, so ano mga pinag-order ko? Oh, okay. So, first up, ito. These are just one product, pero umorder ako ng 3 because I love them so much. And umorder lang ako ng maliliit para kasi gusto ko siyang travel size. This is the KLAIRS Supple Preparation Toner, pero ito yung 30 ml lang. Merong mas malaking size nito. So ganito lang kalit yung in-order ko kasi nga gusto ko may dalawang backup na nadadala ko everywhere, anywhere I go. So this is, honestly, this is one of the best facial toner na try ko. I don't use cotton pad pag ginagamit ko to. Nilalagay ko lang siya ng ganon. And then, tinatap-tap ko sa buong face ko. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng allergic reaction, hindi ako nagkaroon ng mga pimples or whatsoever dito. Plus, it does the job of moisturizing and cleansing my face. So, I love this. Highly recommend this. It's a good thing na meron travel size na ganito kasi mas mura siya. Kasi alam ko yung malaking ganon, merong mga nasa 800 something or 900. Baka mamaya pumatak na siya ng 1,000. Sobrang bongga niya. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put all the links below nung ganitong size and yung malaking size. Next, oh my god. I took the chance of ordering a Peri-Pera Lip Tint Ink Velvet kasi honestly, you guys, wala ako nito. Like, I haven't tried it ever. Hindi ko alam bakit, kasi siguro baka dahil namamahalan ako. Yun lang naman ang rason kapag may hindi ako tinatry. It's either, hindi ko siya napupusuan, or mahal siya for me. This is in the shade Deep Rose. So, ang cute pala ng packaging niya. Okay. meron siyang doe foot applicator. So, let's try it. Ayan. Okay, I'll be using this siguro later. Next naman is, oh my god, another product that I highly recommend. This is from KLAIRS as well. Freshly juiced vitamin drop. Honestly guys, kailangan nyo ng vitamin C sa face ninyo, lalo na kapag yung face ninyo is uneven yung skin tone, tapos alam mo yung dull siya, parang hindi mo na alam ano ilalagay mo sa face mo para lang, alam mo yun, not necessarily pumuti, but alam mo yung mag-brighten up man lang, parang magmukha ka man lang maaliwalas or something like that. Pero nabubuksan ko siya, no? I love that it's super sealed. So, it looks like this. Yung ganito ko, nilalagay ko siya sa ref kasi bawal mainitan yung mga vitamin C serum. So, akin, nilalagay ko siya sa ref para, alam mo yung paglagay ko sa skin ko is malamig siya and masarap ipahid sa face and nakaka-relax ng bonggang-bongga, nakaka-improve ng skin texture, and gaya ng sinabi ko, it brightens up your face. Parang maaliwalas ka. Parang ang fresh mo. Ang lakas talaga maka-fresh na to. I love this. Over here naman, ano ba ito mga pinagbibili ko dito? First up, we have this one. This is the Wish Stone Tint Velvet. Ito, hindi ko pa ito natatry, pero kinuha ko siya kasi mura lang siya. Prism, but it's not that heavy naman. It's from MISSHA. Okay. Wish Stone Tint Velvet from MISSHA. Meron din siyang doe foot applicator. Bango, may candy. I-try ko kaya, no? Wait lang, kukuha lang ako ng tissue bells. Okay, so tinanggal ko na yung lip product ko. Unahin natin yung Peri Ink Velvet because this is the first time that I'm gonna try it. I'm so sorry. Lightweight and moisturizing. Pwede ba ito sa cheeks? Dive into the long-wearing lip color with ink lasting. It's a lacquer-like finish without feeling tacky or drying. Creamy, velvety texture. Totoo naman. It's creamy and velvety. Pero hindi ko sure kung ano ba to? Nagda-dry ba to into a yung parang kiss-proof or something like that? Sorry guys, alam ko alam nyo na to. Ako hindi ko. Ngayon ko pala na-try. Sorry oh. So this is the shade Celeb Deep Rose. Next naman, nagda-try natin is yung MISSHA. Natatawa kasi medyo hawig lang siya ng pere-pera na nabili ko. Pero mas mura to. Pero parang parehas lang sila ng texture. Na it's soft, it's smooth, it's creamy. Pero mas matte to. Dupe ba to ng pere-pera? I don't know yet. I have yet to test these two. And malalaman natin. Kasi ito sa MISSHA mas mura eh. Kaysa dun sa pere-pera. Next product is from KARADIUM. This is the Smudging Tint Stick. Ito hindi ko na matandaan. Ito yung pang smudge. It's like a sponge. It's also a lip product, I think. Ito yung color na napili ko. Tadang! It's like coral, nude coral. Para saan pa to? Kung pwede namang full lip. Wala, may pang smudge. So, kung ayaw mo gamitin yung pinky finger mo to smudge it, you can use that one. Tignan lang natin kung long-lasting siya. Pero hindi ko pa alam. Hindi ko siya matetest today. Next naman is this one. This is from CHICO 1Kill Eyeliner Liquid Brush Pen. This is in the shade 1Kill Brown. Yeah. Naghanap kasi ako ng brown eyeliner, guys. Kasi lalo na if gusto mo mag-eyeliner, pero ayaw mo yung singtapang ng black. So, I found a brown one. Tingnan natin kung brown talaga siya. Yes. Oo, tama. Ito nga yung hinahanap ko din. Hindi ko siya magagawa ngayon kasi may mascara na ako. Baka masira lang yung eyes ko. But I will definitely try this and I will let you know in the future if I like this ng bungang-bunga. And I got this kasi mura lang siya. This is the Etude House Color My Brows. Ito ako kumuha ng brow product. Kasi naghahanap ako ng tinted. Naghahanap kasi ako ng tinted na brow gel lang. Kasi there are times na gusto ko lang ng tinted brow gel pero ayoko alam mo yun, eyebrow pencil kasi pag nagmamadali or something like that. Tingnan natin kung magkukulay ito. Yes! Naglighten yung ano ko. Ay, perfect. I love it. I love it. I love this. Good purchase. Oh my god. Okay, now we are down to the last product. Okay. This is the Rose Quartz facial roller. Kasi ang tagal-tagal ko na gusto magkaroon ng facial roller, guys. Yung mga gemstones na ginaganon. Merong rose, merong jade. Pero kinuha ko tong rose kasi mas mura siya kaysa sa jade. Ang mahal ng jade eh. Ano mabuksan to? Okay. Nga lang. Ayan. Kasi ang nakikita ko mga... Oh my God. Ang nakikita ko mga prices nito, guys. Yung mga ganito. Nasa 2,000, 3,000. Ito, I got this for parang mga 900 something lang. It's heavy. Oh my God. Oh my God, ang sarap. Oh my God, I'm so excited to go home and use this. Oh. I'm so happy. I'm so kinikilig. Okay. Pang-boost siya ng skincare routine, guys. I love it. I love it so much. So, ano pa ba? May mga nakalimutan pa ba ako? Alright, so that's everything I got, you guys. Again, ilalagay ko yung mga products sa description as well as the links and yung prices. So, kung interested kayo sa mga pinakita ko, sa mga recommendations ko and all that, go check out the description box. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye-bye!